Understanding Marbles Tournament. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, Marbles Tournament. This expression might sound simple at first, but it carries a rich history and context that we'll uncover together. So, whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the phrase, you're in the right place. A marbles tournament refers to a competitive event where participants play the game of marbles, aiming to win against their opponents by skillfully shooting their marbles to hit other marbles out of a designated area or into a hole. This game, often associated with children, has been played for centuries and is known worldwide. The phrase embodies not just the game itself but also the spirit of competition, skill, and fun that comes with it. Marbles have been part of human culture for thousands of years, with evidence of the game found in ancient civilizations. Marbles tournaments, as formal competitions, likely have a more modern origin, but they embody the timeless joy of play and competition. In some cultures, marbles tournaments are significant events that bring communities together, showcasing not just individual skill but also collective traditions and social bonds. A typical marbles tournament might be structured in rounds, with players facing off in one-on-one matches or in teams. The rules can vary widely depending on the region and the specific game being played, but the objective remains the same: to use skill and strategy to win. The tournament may culminate in a final match, where the top competitors vie for the title of champion, often earning not just accolades but sometimes prizes as well. Marbles tournaments are more than just games. They are cultural events that can have a significant impact on communities. They foster social interaction, encourage sportsmanship, and can even be a platform for artistic expression through the intricate designs of the marbles themselves. In some regions, marbles tournaments are celebrated with festivals, highlighting their importance beyond the playground. We hope this exploration of marbles tournament has been enlightening and entertaining. This phrase encapsulates a world of history, culture, and fun, reminding us of the universal joy found in simple games. Whether you're an English learner or a seasoned speaker, remember that language is a gateway to understanding the world's diverse cultures and traditions. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you in the future.